How would you like to have high ticket paydays going anywhere from $500 a day, $1,000 per day, even up to $2,000 per day from one single sale, and on top of all that, get free traffic, free advertising over to your affiliate link? Would you like to do that? If so, stick with me towards the end of this video because I'm going to reveal exactly how you can do this, how you can start to generate leads and sales online for free, how to get me to promote your affiliate link for you, and of course, how to earn high ticket commissions online, like what I showed right here, coming up. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, tap the bell icon, and this way you're going to be notified of all future videos on this channel, and of course, in this series. And I want to start this off by saying that if you're on this video right now, you're seeing this most likely for one of two reasons. Either you're going through this free high-ticket affiliate training series right here, and so you've been watching these videos step by step, you're part of the multiple income funnel system, and so by the time that you have, by the time that I've finished recording this, I've most likely included this somewhere around here as like a bit of a bonus step to, of course, help, you kind of, maximize your results. So I've included in here as like an optional step, or you might have also found this video through doing a bit of research on the E1ULife program, as well as possibly Traffic Authority, right? So in this video, what I want to do is I want to present you with the opportunity, and by the way, you could choose whether or not you want to take me up on this offer. My main intention for this, the reason why I want to do this, is I want to help you get qualified to earn high ticket commissions going anywhere from 2,000 bucks, like what I showed right here, and this could be done either if you are just promoting the E1ULife program that you might be looking into, if you're just looking to promote this, or if you're part of the multiple income funnel system. Income stream number 2, instead of step 2 in your back office, is the E1ULife program, and this program allows you to earn commissions, high ticket commissions ranging anywhere from 25 bucks per sale, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, and even $2,000 per single sale that you generate with this income stream. Now, I'm going to assume that if you have been a part of multiple income funnel, and if you've been going through my training videos, or maybe you have looked into E1ULife yourself, you might have either watched this video, or maybe you've looked into the compensation plan, and you've been hearing about the earning potential with this program, and you are thinking, okay, well, this sounds really cool, but I'm still not 100% sure if I want to get started with this just yet. What I want to do in this video is I want to help you get qualified to earn on these high ticket commissions as easy as possible, and of course, give you a boost, give you a bit of a reward for, of course, deciding to take action on what I will go over in this video, right? So I want to mention real quick, I want to ask you a bit of a question. What if, if you can just get just one of these every single week, or even just every single month, would that make a difference in your life? Do you feel like that would allow you to maybe have a bit more freedom? Maybe you're someone that wants to, take your family out to more restaurants or vacations more. Maybe you want to simply just go full-time online sooner, quit your job much quicker, and have more freedom. If you're looking to do any of those things, if you're looking to reach your goals much faster with high ticket affiliate marketing, then this right here, I know for a lot of people, could be a massive game changer. And I could say from personal experience, this right here is a post that I made on February 5th, 2021. So about a year and a half prior to me filming this video. And that day, I remember this very vividly. I made a post about this, by the way. I had my very first ever $1,000 day, and it was from this program right here, right? So funny story. It was about 1 a.m. in the morning, and I remember for some reason, and as I mentioned in here, I decided to go for like a quick shave for some reason. I don't know why at 1 a.m. in the morning, but I had my phone with me. I was like shaving or something, and as I'm doing that, I happened to check my my email on my phone, and there was an email that had it was a PayPal notification, and it was this $1,000 commission which someone had paid for one of the products in here, and that was a $1,000 commission that I got from one single sale. Now that right there, when I first seen it, this was my first time ever getting a commission in the 4-figure range, and when I seen this at 1 a.m. I nearly screamed. I nearly dropped my phone. It was very exciting. And yeah, it was very exciting. And so that point on, it was an absolute game changer because it really opened up the possibility that this was possible for someone like myself, who for many years prior was struggling online quite a bit. I had a very slow journey in the very beginning prior to this particular day, and I was getting sales very sporadically, not too consistently, kind of scraping by. And it was ever since I got this first high ticket commission was when I began to build that momentum, and it's allowed me to build grow my online income a lot quicker, and it's helped me really get the ball rolling a lot faster as it's built up my motivation or like momentum. And then because of this, I got excited, which led to me taking more action, and then that led to more sales that came down the road, like $500 a day and many other ones that I've gotten. And this was the exact same case for a lot of members that have been promoting this. As you can see, Paula Beringwell got $1,000 from income stream number 2. Here's another one that he got just recently, like last week, which was $2,000. And keep in mind, this is from one sale, right? One sale alone of this every single month. I know for a lot of people, it could be a massive game changer. And not to mention, if you're also going through this training series right here, and if you're also promoting multiple income funnel, this right here could be can really build up as you're also building residual income from this income stream as well, right? So if you really look at the overall big picture of this, not just these high ticket commissions alone, but if you're also promoting this program through multiple income funnel, you're promoting your links and you are referring people here, and they decide to buy any of the other income streams, that's additional commissions that you're getting with no additional work. Right now, regardless of whether you decide to take me up on this offer, the amount of work that you'll put in with this series and with growing your business online in general is going to be the exact same. So it's really going to be a matter of, do you want to make more or less for the amount of work that you're putting in? So with all that being said, I want to talk about how you can get qualified to get these high ticket commissions, as well as getting free traffic from Traffic Authority, as in I'm going to pay for a traffic campaign and promote your affiliate link for you, so you can, of course, start to generate leads and sales when you decide to take action on the steps that I'll lay out for you, right? So what you'll want to do is, depending on if you're a part of a multiple income funnel or not, you're going to want to go ahead and create an account for E1ULife, or E1UP as it used to be called. And so if you're not part of a multiple income funnel, you could either go to the first link down below, and that will take you right over here to where you can get signed up. And you'll just want to make sure that it says Mr. Jumpstart as the sponsor username. That's me. And so that way, when you, of course, get signed up, then I'll know that you, of course, signed up under me, and we could simply, proceed from there, right? So you just want to fill out this information, click submit to get signed up, and then you'll want to buy one of the product packages, right? So you've got 6 different product packages ranging anywhere from $30 all the way from $2,500 right here. And so your next step is to upgrade your account to one of the 2 product packages right here, right? So you could either upgrade to the Vertex Pro level, which is at $1,100, or the Vertex Live level at $2,500. And by the way, all of these product packages right here are all one-time payments. And when you buy any of these product packages, you gain access to that product and all the levels below it at no additional cost. So you get access to all of the training that's inside of this program at that level that you buy in at, and all the levels below. And you're also qualified to earn on the level that you come in at. So for example, let's say that you come in at the Vertex Elite level here at $550, right? It's a one-time payment of $550. The $500 commission goes to your sponsor, and then the $50 commission goes to the company. And then that gives you access to the training here, as well as in the lower levels. And you're also qualified to earn commissions up to $500 per sale when you promote this exact program, right? Now, the 2 most popular levels inside of this program right here, as this video went over, are the Vertex Pro level at $1,100 and the Vertex Live at $2,500 right here. The reason for that is because when you buy one of these higher product packages, you save money in the long term by not having to keep upgrading. As you, of course, let's say if you start here and you upgrade, in the later levels down the road, right, you end up having to pay the full amount for the next product, where if you just come in at the highest level possible from the start, you get access to that and all the levels below. So you save money from the start, and then also you're eligible to earn on the high ticket commissions. So if you're someone that wants to earn commissions in the 4-figure range, $1,000 $2,000, then it is in your best interest to come in at the highest level possible. Now, me personally, what I recommend is if you can, I understand it's a stretch, and depending on where you're at, this may or may not be for you right now. However, if you're able to, I recommend coming in at the very highest level, which is the Vertex Live package at $2,500 right here. Again, this is a one-time payment, and once you have completed this payment, then you're qualified to earn on this package as many times as you want. You could resell it over and over again and get the $2,000 commissions over and over again, as well as all the other levels, and you don't have to worry about passing up any commissions. Now, alternatively, you can decide to go for the Vertex Pro package. That one's really great as well. You earn $1,000 per sale, and that right there, I know for a lot of people, you get a small handful of commissions at that product level, and that right there could be enough to be a full-time income in and of itself, not including the residual income that you could build with the multiple income funnel system or any of the other income streams in the system, right? So the system, when you look at the overall big picture, can help you earn quite a massive income online if you, of course, are qualified to earn the commissions, and you, of course, decide to take action on this training right here, right? So that being said, you want to go down below, create a free account for E1ULife, and then you want to upgrade to one of these levels. And then step 3 is you want to send a message to me via Facebook Messenger. So there's also going to be a link down below for that. And all you want to do here is you just want to send me a message letting me know that you've signed up to E1ULife, whether that is directly through the E1ULife site or through multiple income funnel. So if you just go to step 2, you click on the sign up button, that's like somewhere around here. You get signed up, you put in your username right here, you're qualified whenever someone goes here and they buy a product. So you could either get signed up that way or straight through the site. And all you want to do from there is simply send me a message with your E1ULife username and the link that you want to promote. So you could either promote your one of your E1ULife links. If you just want to promote E1ULife itself, you could do that. Promoting like an opt-in page from E1ULife. Otherwise, what I recommend is if you're going through this series and if you're promoting multiple income funnel, I recommend going in your back office, go over to the links tab, and then send me one of the links to one of your capture pages. And then what I will do is I will create a traffic campaign, a free traffic campaign with your link, and I will simply get some paid traffic to your link, right? Now, depending on whether you come in at Vertex Pro or Vertex Live, will depend on the product package that you'll get. So for Vertex Pro members, when you come in at the $1,000 level, you will get a basic package that is anywhere from 170 to 190 clicks for free, no cost to you. So that is this package right here. And that'll get you around about 200 clicks over to your link, for free, right? And keep in mind, Traffic Authority is known to be buyer traffic. It's known to convert very well. So this will help you to start building your list as well as potentially generating sales on the front end, which will be very cool, right? So basic packages for the Vertex Pro members. Now, if you decide to come in for the Vertex Live level, which is the $2,000 level, $2,500 level right here, then you will get a silver package for free, which includes anywhere from 510 to 570 clicks. So basically what I'm doing is the commission that I get from the sale, when you of course decide to enroll one of these packages, I take pretty much about 25% of that commission. So $1,000, I take about $220, and I invest in basic package for you right there. I buy the package. I will put your link down here, and then that traffic will go over to the link that I put right here, which in this case will be your affiliate link for the multiple income funnel system, and you could start to generate sales that way. And I will even create like a tracking link so that you could see in your back office. Okay, when you go in your leads tab, you'll see like TA 220 or TA 660 if you decide to get Vertex Live, right? So Vertex Pro or Vertex Live, you'll get a free traffic package, and for Vertex Live, I get you the silver package, which is 660. So it's about 25% of the commission that comes to me. And then, of course, I invest 25% of that back into your business for you, so that, of course, this will, of course, help you get a boost and start to generate leads and sales online, right? So, again, this right here is something you could decide for yourself. If you, of course, want to take me up on this offer or not, completely up to you. Either way, regardless of if you decide to get this or not, the amount of work that you're putting in with the series is going to remain the same. So you could either skip this video and go to the next video, proceed on with this training as usual. Otherwise, if you want to get qualified right from the start ASAP, then I suggest go down below or go in your back office, get income stream number 2 set up, and then once you do that, follow the steps right here that I lay out, and I'll of course get traffic running to your link, and of course you'll get qualified to earn the high ticket commissions online. And again, think of it like this, right? This will allow you to reach your goals a lot sooner. This will allow you to, you'll be much more motivated. You'll take more action, and taking more action will lead to more results, which will lead you to feeling even more excited, which will lead you to taking even more action. And it'll just be like this upward spiral versus like a downward spiral of like, oh my God, he's just trying to sell me stuff. And then, if you just invested in like the monthly package or the monthly membership, like, you might not be as motivated as someone who has invested more, right? And so my intention with putting that out there isn't to say that like, oh, if you invest in the monthly package, you'll not get the results. But what I've noticed with members who have invested in higher ticket packages, so same reason why I recommend going for the annual package in the intro video is because when you, of course, have more skin in the game, you take it much more seriously, you get better results, and if I'm going to put the series out there for you, of course I want to help you get the best of results possible. And so everything that I'm recommending to you is it's for the purpose of helping you get results of this program. So that this, of course, helps me get, good testimonial from you potentially. And it, of course, looks better on my end. It, of course, helps you get to your goal much faster. So for me personally, I see this as a win-win for both of us. So again, decide whether or not for you, if you of course want to, of course, take me up on this offer, but otherwise you can go straight to the next video. And with that being said, either go down below, get started with the package right here, and when you do that, I'll of course get free traffic going over to your links. Anyways, take care and all the best, and see you in the next video.